Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how you can do full screen playback in Premiere Pro. There's around 2 to 3 methods that I know, and this will be useful for you. If you hover your mouse over the timeline and press the tilde key, it will open up. If I hover it over here, it will open up. If I hover it over effects, press the tilde key, same process, okay? It's the same as me, for example, clicking the effects control and pressing tilde key. If I click here, same thing. Now if I want to watch my playback in full screen, you're going to press your control and your tilde key, and as you can see, this fully opens. If I now want to put my playback into another monitor, I'm going to come to the top, Premiere Pro, I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to go to playback. And then here where it says device name, I'm going to select the monitor I want full playback to go on and then press OK. If you've liked what you've seen, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.